package is in room 556. I need you to secure it now.
Got it.
What do you think?
You were very good with your hands, Mr. Morgan.
It's date night, buddy. What's up?
Max barfed, that's what.
Did it get on the new couch?
A little bit.
It's pink.
Oh, my.
Dan, I just spoke to Nina. She's gonna stay in London for the holidays.
No, Jess. The Morgans are always together on Christmas. That's non-negotiable.
How about if we visit Nina and we see how Christmas feels in a new setting?
These times I sit out real loud.
Come on, Kyle, you know the words. Not doing it. You say. No. Come on. You're not doing it. You say. You're unbelievable.
Merry Christmas, Beans!
You're early. Oh. No. Mom, Dad, Omar, the Morgans.
He is your boyfriend? This guy is ripped. Can he put some clothes on?
Yes, Daddy.
He just called me Daddy?
Ready for your meeting?
One quick job and the whole trip pays for itself. Then Morgan family Christmas. Does it go?
Hello, Sean. Are you enjoying your family vacation?
What's happening here?
You don't recognize me. Maybe this'll help. I'm here to take over your father's business.
Who the hell is he?
He's a ghost from my past.
More secrets, Dan?
You're unbelievable.
He's gonna have control of my dad's network. That means all of his money, all of his assets. If there's nowhere to hide, he's gonna find us.
So what's the plan?
To take down Fred, we have to get into the house where I grew up. You wanna go for a climb with me?
It would be an honor, Daddy. Dan.
You came to try to stop me.
Little prince! This is my house.
Get through, you selling used cars.
Certified pre-owned.
You're unbelievable.
Why are there 3 pedals?
It's a stick. What would your dad do?
Are your family holidays always like this?
Actually, kind of, yes.
Don't have my family again. I'm gonna tear you apart.
All right, old man. Let's see what you got.
You're so unbelievable.
Omar can come with us, right?
Yes, I go where you go.
Fine, you're in.
Yes. In what?
You're in, dude.
You're unbelievable.